Function and educational highlight of the Wxline Lightning Protection System. Core function. Provides cutting-edge systems for lightning safety and critical equipment security, ensuring essential infrastructure remains operational during severe weather. Target application. Designed for critical applications, e.g., water, wastewater systems, irrigation, industrial sites, where equipment safety and operational continuity are paramount. Key principle creates systems that work even during lightning and bad weather, independent of typical infrastructure failures. Contact IGS Water Solutions today to design a Wxline system tailored for your specific critical application and ensure continuous safety and security.